In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a friend from Find My on your iPhone, a process that should take no more than a few minutes. Many of us love the convenience of sharing our location with family and friends through the Find My app. However, there might come a time when you need to remove someone from your list, and the good news is it's incredibly easy to do. First, grab your iPhone and open the Find My app. You'll easily recognize it with its green circle and the blue dot emanating from the center. It's a convenient app designed to help you keep track of your devices and stay connected with friends and family. Once the app is open, you'll want to direct your attention to the bottom of your screen where you'll see several tabs. The one you're interested in is called People. Go ahead and tap on this tab. This section gives you a quick overview of everyone who can currently view your location, as well as those whose locations you can see. Now find the friend you wish to remove from your list. Scroll through your list until you spot their name. Tap on their name to open their location sharing settings. This step brings you to a page that offers options specific to this individual. Once you're on this page, you'll need to scroll down until you see two similar options: Remove Friend and Stop Sharing My Location. The first option, Remove Friend, eliminates your location from their list. The second option, Stop Sharing My Location, keeps them in your list but stops your location from being shared. Choose Remove Friend if that's the route you intend to take. After making your selection, the app will prompt you to confirm. This step is essential to ensure that this action is intentional. Go ahead and confirm your choice. And just like that, you've successfully removed a friend from Find My on your iPhone. This feature is useful if you're no longer in frequent contact with someone, or if privacy is a concern. Remember, the person you remove won't be notified that they've been taken off your list. This makes managing your location sharing both seamless and discreet. It's always a good practice to regularly review your list of location sharing contacts to ensure that only the necessary people have access to your whereabouts. This short process helps you maintain control over your digital privacy with ease. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Have a wonderful day and stay safe.